Hi everyone, this is a layout I did at the retreat. I love how this came out. This is my son in Italy having legs apart lemonade. It's Limonata a cosca aperte. I'm probably saying it totally wrong, but we are going to scrapbook this together. Okay, so I have these 3 photos of the lemonade. The man makes it and it basically explodes in the cup. It's sort of like when you do vinegar and baking soda together, except it's lemon and probably something like baking soda. And it forces you to stand all crazy and drink it really fast. And I like it because it's not alcohol. Like alcohol has all these fun, exciting things to do. I mean, not everything, but like the tequila shots and stuff like that, and body shots and all these things. And this is fun because it's just lemonade. So kids can do it, so they can have something to drink that's, good, clean fun. So I have this lemon paper and all these lemon things from National Scrapbook Day, and I'll put that link in the description below. So it was perfect. And I decided on just putting 3 photos across, not quite the middle, not quite the bottom, just sort of, 2/3 down the page. And it's really easy. 4x6 photos when they're vertical. If you go 3 across, that measures 12 inches because it's 4 and 4 and 4 equals 12. So that's really easy. There's no cropping. It's easy. You pick 3 photos that you like. It's a very nice, simple way to do layouts. And this is just a 1-page layout. So I have the drink being made, him drinking it, and then his sour face at the end there. And I just thought that was so much fun. We did this a few times. We did it with the whole family in Naples. And then this is also Naples, but it's up the hill up by Castello del... I'm so bad at Italian. It's the Elmo, Castle St. Elmo. So Castello St. Elmo. We're right next to that castle. And these letters that say Limonata, that means lemonade or lemon. I think it's lemonade. Forgive me. I am learning Italian, but I'm not great. These letters are from, I can't remember right now. I will also put the link below. They are not Creative Memories. There's only 3 things on here, I think, that aren't Creative Memories. Everything else is from the National Scrapbook Day collection. From, I think it's 2021 or 2023, but I will put the link below. Anyway, so I made this cup, and so let me explain how I made this cup. I had, it's a Spellbinders collection where it's a die cut shape of a cup that it comes with this thank you card kind of thing for like a latte. And then I took the cloud border punch from Creative Memories, and I made the lemon sort of fizz, bubbly looking with yellow paper. So the cup is made out of vellum and the Spellbinders die cut. And then the lemonade and stuff is made from the cloud punch from Creative Memories to make it look all bubbly and fizzy at the top of the cup. And then these stickers, again, are the National Scrapbook Day collection. The sticker on the front is a sticker, but the lemon in the back is, I'll show you the punch in a little bit, but it's a punch, and then I put the leaf sticker on top of it. And we are at the scrapbook retreat, and I am just working away here. I like to use the Titletopia. It's just this thing Creative Memories came up with that you put your letters on so they can be lined up, and when you're ready to go, you just stick them down, and only the very edge is on the Titletopia, just a tiny bit of each letter, so that most of it's going to stick to your page. And I'm just kind of rearranging this cup. I'm not sure how I want it. And then I have these other letters. They are not Creative Memories. I like having a lot of variety of alpha letters, and Creative Memories hasn't always delivered on that. They're very basic in that department. Sometimes that's great, but in this case, I wanted this look. So I will link those in the description below for you. But there's a couple different colors. They're actually available on my website, punchpaperlove.com. I have a couple different sets available. I think I just have one of each colorway. So if you're interested, they're going to sell out pretty quickly since I only have one of each. So I'm just writing the title up here. I like having the two different letter shapes and sizes in the title instead of just one uniform for all the words, same stickers. I like to have a different look to kind of mix it up, and I don't know, I just like how that looks. Also, the border at the bottom is that National Scrapbook Day collection. There was a couple of borders that came in that. It's so cool because southern Italy is, famous for lemons. So I will get to use a lot of these lemons when we were in Sorrento. We went to a lemon restaurant. It was full of lemon trees. It was beautiful. So I'm excited about that. We also have a lemon tree at our place in Morro Bay, so that'll be fun to use, make a scrapbook page with our lemon tree. I just love lemons. They're like my favorite dessert too. Any kind of lemon dessert, forget it. If I wasn't going to have dessert, you say lemon something, I'm done. I'm having dessert. So I'm just straightening these out. I'm using my multi-purpose tool from Creative Memories to get them exactly how I want them. I didn't use the Titletopia on these because I've already had the Limonata up there to sort of help me keep it straight. And they're so tiny that I thought it would be easier to just do them individually, but you'll see that it ended up taking me a lot of time with the multi-purpose tool to get them exactly how I wanted them. And yes, again, around the table are conversations going, but I cut those out because you don't want to hear us cackling. So Akoshka, I think it's Akosha, something like that. The kosh is the thigh. It translates to open thigh lemonade, but then really it means open leg lemonade, but literally it would be thigh. Aperte is open. So I know a little Italian. I'm really bad at pronunciation in most cases. Some cases I'm pretty good, but it takes practice. I decided I didn't like that yellow of the O. I wanted a lighter yellow here, just to kind of mix it up because there was a lot of that dark yellow going on in these letters. And then I'm dotting my I for Limonata. Limonata. Something like that. And this is the punch. It's a lemon punch from Creative Memories. I think I show it to you at some point. And it has, yes, there it is, the lemon punch. And then I took off the little leaf that it made and I put on a sticker leaf from National Scrapbook Day collection. And then this is just a little doodad from Pinkfresh. It says something like freshly squeezed or something. There's something sticky on it. Get off of there. I really like how this page turned out. And now I'm going to journal across the bottom in pencil first, as always. It was like 100 degrees there. We were there in August. So this was probably pretty refreshing for my son. And then I'm going over my pencil with a green Creative Memories pen or marker. Is it a marker? I think they're called pens. I don't know. Creative Memories has like every color in the rainbow of pens / markers, and there's always it's nice because they're dual tip. One end is fine and one end is bold or thicker for maybe titling or if you're writing big words. Here I'm using the fine tip. And then I just need to erase the pencil underneath once the ink dries, and there you have it, exploding lemonade. Limonata akashka aperte translates to open thigh lemonade because that's how you have to drink it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing. Have a wonderful day.